Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Yes, welcome to our this video in which we are explaining the solver function and the utility. It's an addin of Excel, very popular one, and it serves you in numerous ways, number of ways you can utilize it. First of all, it was necessary to understand that what it is, and once you understand it and its different aspects, then it is possible for you to make use of it in a different manner. In so many ways, you can utilize it, and it works greatly in a great manner, and it gives you the solution which was not possible for a user to come up with the with such a utility in such a um, simplicity and in such a character and such quickly and so quickly you can get the result. Uh, because when there are a combination of factors are required and this computing combination is to come up with the desired result, it is always very time consuming for a user, and Excel helps you overcome this problem. Okay? So that's why the name is solve your solution very intelligently and with a simple click of buttons and using the constraints, etc. Like let me let me show you that in the solver uh, button, when you click the solver, you have this dialog box in the view, and it starts with an objective. That what objective do you have? Normally, you have you work out this using such a manner that you have a bottom line. So that bottom line is a simple formula, right? And which tells you that your objective, right? Your objective is that this becomes zero. What is it? The sum of the people, the selected ones, uh, and what are the selected ones? This multiplied by this. So that comes, otherwise, if it is it's all zero, means nothing is selected. Nothing is selected. But as soon as there is a number in here, as one, so that becomes selected, and this gives you the selected. So like this, the green one, I highlighted for you. This is the green one. This one is selected, right? And who has selected? This is solver has selected, right? You don't have to do this. I mean, the system will use 0 or 1 to indicate that it has got selected. Okay, so the bottom line is is your objective that this becomes zero. Okay, so means your target is 150, 150 minus the sum of all these, yeah, in the P column, yeah, is equal to zero. The sum of P column minus that your target, that should be to zero. That's what you have mentioned in this dialog box. In the dialog box. Okay, first of all, you have mentioned the objective, and then the manner. Now, yeah, the objective is this is the setup method. If you either want uh, the objective to be a certain value, or the objective to be minimized, or the objective to be maximized, right? Like sometimes you want to maximize the profit, sometimes you want to minimize the base, and or minimize the cost, right? Or sometimes you want to achieve a certain value. So this is the manner you set the objective to one is the cell and the other is what value or what manner. Then by changing what, so the change 0 and 1 is to other and the O column, O3 to until whatever the value. It will become 45%. You don't have to do this. The program will make it 40. If you write 40 here, because only 3 highlighted cells have the input cells. That is, you don't have to do it. So read it as 40 for me. Okay? And then you have certain constraints, right? And then you just select that what is the which of the given methods you want. Each method has a different algorithm, and that we will not go into detail for the one. All you need to do is just use it as this one, and And there are some options as well. These are the sometimes decisions which you can do. But leave this automatic scaling and enabled, and that's it. Okay. So this is how you have set it up, and then you solve, right? And click solve, and this will come up with the solution, and it will start working, starting working. And what it is actually doing is that it is using a random function, right, in the code. Right? A random function is being used, and to pick the random number with a equal chance for every product to come up in these 40 areas, 40 item areas. Okay. So that's it. And after this, it will start attempting. It has started attempting to come up with a desired result. As soon as the cost of 150 is achieved, it is going to show you these things. Not only here, but also you will have it in the my log, in the whatever other, because the next attempt will remove this selected item. So it has come up with a solution. Right? When you receive such a event, so it has come up with a solution, and you can say, okay, fine. So if you see here, you have this result. It has specified that no such information has there. Sometimes this happens, yes, that it will solve with the given value. It was not possible for the solver to come up with some solution. Okay, let's make it 190 and run it again. So this is now again randomly picking the part and trying again. Right? So as soon as it comes, then we review this further. So thank you very much. The solver has come up with the 8 items selected, and all these 8 items have that much of cost, and the total of this is equal to your target of 190, and it has taken, it has summarized that it started on this time and finished on this time, and it took quite quickly, even less than 1 minute, it has finished. Fine. Okay. So, okay. So the next is that let's do an enhancement in this function, right? As you know, we use let's press Alt +11 to see the code in here, and this is our code of solver, which is filling all these formulas, and then it is applying the solver attributes. So this one is actually using 0 and 1 for selection, right? And sometimes it fails because putting only one is a very it causes that solver begin get nothing. So in our next enhancement, we will make this 0 and 1 instead of 0 and 1. We say that it should be integer. It should be integer. This is the integer, right? The the some things in the column O, in the column O where the selections are made. Yeah, the selections are made in column O with 0 and 1. So let's make it less than or equal to 3, so that we have at least 1, 2, or 3 right. Okay? So let's see the revision. We will make the changes, and you will see the revised view. So we have made the enhancements such that it brings, while it is bringing the total of from the column P, which is multiplication of the selection with 1 normally, but this time it will be number of 1 or 2 or 3, right? So that gives you the computer a leverage, more chance to bring the solution quickly. Because the more you are restricting the computer to say bring only one, difficult it will be. It will be time consuming as well, and you might not get the desired results. There's chances that, but since you have given the chance that okay, pick one product. Here we say pick. You can pick 2 products. You said I can say if I get the 3, then you put chances well. Okay. So as a generalized rule, we have generalized it in the solver that in the O it can be less than or equal to 3. This was previously 1, right? And greater than and equal to 0, and it is supposed to be integer, so that it does not bring anything in factor, right? That's 1.75 or 2.98 or something. We do not want. We want the integer, right? We want this as we are by using this we are telling take anything between 1 and 3. Okay, so that's it, and it is using less than 10, less than or equal to 10. You can have it differently depending upon your requirement. That you can use it greater than or equal to, right? That's it. So this is a 3. Right? 3. This is a 4. Don't take it as an item. It is 3. That means it is greater than or equal to, and equal to is 2, whereas the less than or equal to is 10, right? Say, let's make it less than or equal to, say, 5, right? Uh, less than, what is this less than or equal to means this is related to, you see the thing, this is related to here. Yeah? We want any of, say, five items, which may be selected in here, right? Because probably, say, we have a parcel which can accommodate only 5 items because and that has to be filled, right? So there may be different reasons, right? Okay, so let's make it like 10 so that okay, you calculate it. You take this just an example, right? And here we use 100, and here we use, for example, say 150. Okay, 150. And we say fine. So let's see. So this time it is bringing the information, the desired selected combination of the items which we want to make a output, right? So it is now attempting the solution, and it should bring, as soon as it reaches the target, it will be displayed here as well as in the minor. So it has come up with the solution. It has suggested 6 items with the combination of these three, 3 basic items, 3 items of this, 2 items of that 5, and 1 item of this. Okay, so this is 6 items, which is of course less than 10, and the target has achieved. The 150 is the total. Let's see if you add these, the rather bit. So that means 150. Okay, and it has also displayed in our previous example. It was just showing the total. Okay, that was your multiply by 1, but this time it is multiplying with 3, sometimes 2, sometimes 1 to arrive at the desired solution. So 150 is ready, and my log is also ready. And it has, this is a historic, it's a right, updating the historical report, means so that you can keep a report of it. That's what I'm saying. So to analyze that how what changes do occur as you change the certain combination of the of choices, right? Sometimes so you have the you have the chance to analyze the variation and optimize your tool, right? This is just a history, no formula in that. Okay? And in this, let me show you the code. In this code, we have this is the enhancement, and here we have updated it. This was the fine, and the changes what we have made is just this was previously 1, we have changed it. Okay? And the next is we also wanted to display this. So LP was the type, right? So the type was there. The Q was the quantity, right? Which was selected in the column, right? How much, 1 or 2 or 3, right? And the third column was the price multiplied by quantity. So this is how it is displayed in this area. Right? It is displayed. And later on, it was copied to the market with all these information. So I hope you enjoyed it. you can do plenty of there is plenty of utility of this that we want to show you to present you that it is full of utility and you can use it and you can you can increase the scope of its utility by using these certain parameters. That's it. And just make the changes in it and it is going to apply. And it is all taking the information right from the product, right? And although it is only just a code or product code is there, but when it brings there, it comes up with the looking up of the code so that you know that what it has selected. And that's it. And you have the product and these are being randomly. How these are being randomly? So let me show you the fact when it is taught, it applies the randomized function, random between function, right? And it gathers it. This is called random between function between one and the maximum of there. So this forces it to bring any come up with any product and and, and randomly picking. Once it is done, then it will start applying the solver. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much. And do join us in our upcoming exciting videos. Thanks for supporting my channel.